Hi, my name's Danny and I've got 14 years of helicopter experience and I'm currently working for Shreurs full-time as their full-time UAV pilot. They predominantly grow celery, so I'm pretty much employed to spray the celery once a week. With the drone, we basically, every 7 to 10 days, the crops require a fungicide spray, generally speaking, sometimes an insecticide spray. My history with aviation is I've had approximately 14 years of helicopter experience, predominantly spraying crops. So basically we transitioned into the drone approximately 1 year ago, just more sustainable and safer. The biggest thing is we're not putting the self-propelled spraying machine over the crop, which basically damages the crop itself and also spreads diseases across the whole farm. So by having the drone, it's way more effective. We're not spreading diseases and it's a lot more cost effective than basically traditional methods with the self-propelled spraying machine. Generally speaking, the drone's probably doing 70% of the spraying out here. In terms of maintenance, for the first 6 months, I think we'd spent $300 on the drone. They're just a lot cheaper to run. They're safer. We're not spreading disease. We have very small windows down here for spraying. So when we do spray with the drone, we tend to go pretty hard. And sometimes that includes early morning starts. And we're quite happy to spray at night. With the drones, no problem spraying at night time because they're fully automated, of course. So you have no problem there. So with our night spraying, it's all done through the XAG One app through our phone. With the drone, we can control, while it's flying, we control the water rate, the height that it sprays at, and the microns, basically, of how many fine droplet or a coarse droplet. Transitioning from the helicopter to the drone was relatively easy. Once the machine's set up through the app and logged on, it's very easy, user-friendly, and yeah, push on. With the support from specifically Oztech Drones and Jamin and his team up there, it's very good. They're approachable basically 24 hours a day. They might not like that, but they are. It's great. You can talk to any of the boys there. Really good to sort of talk about any issues there is, whether they're small or big, but generally it's smooth sailing. They're great to deal with. Going forward, we won't be hesitating to stick with the drones. We're really happy with the results and we're looking at upscaling with more drones, bigger drones, as the technology only gets better and better.